In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button in a WooCommerce product page. Now, here's an important detail before we even start. WooCommerce actually adds the Add to Cart button to your product pages automatically. So in this tutorial, what we're really doing is making sure your product is set up correctly so that the button appears and works as expected. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different options like posts, media, and so on. Find the one labeled products. Hover your mouse over products, and from the drop-down that appears, click on all products. This will open a list of every product you've created in your WooCommerce store. From this list, choose the product you want to check. Click on the product name to open the product editor. This is where you manage all the details like pricing, stock, images, and product type. Inside the product editor, scroll down until you see the product data section. This is a box with several tabs such as general, inventory, and others. At the top of this box, there's a drop down where you can select the product type. Make sure your product is set as either a simple product or a variable product. These are the standard types that display an Add to Cart button on the product page. If it's set to something unusual, like an external or affiliate product, the button may behave differently or not appear the way you expect. Next, still within the product data section, click on the inventory tab. Here, you want to confirm that your product actually has stock available. If you're managing stock, make sure the stock quantity is higher than 0 and that the product is not marked as out of stock. If a product has no stock, WooCommerce may hide or disable the Add to Cart button and instead show an out of stock message. Once that's done, scroll back up near the top of the product editor page. Just below the product title, you'll see the product's permalink, which is the URL for this product on your store. Click that link to open the live product page in a new tab. After the page loads, you should see the Add to Cart button displayed automatically on the product page, ready for your customers to use.